Welcome to this video, how to use coins on Aliexpress. If this helps you out, drop a like onto this video and let's just get into it. Okay, so this article explains everything step by step, so it's a very good resource. And the nice thing about Aliexpress is that you can use these coins to purchase or to reduce the price of the items you purchase on Aliexpress. So you can get coins on the app by visiting the app daily. They'll give you these rewards for visiting the app daily in the forms of coins and coupons. So that's how you can get those coins. And then how do you actually use them? You see, you play these games in order to get the coins. Okay, and then you'll scroll down here and show you how to exchange coins. So if you there's three ways to spend coins on AliExpress. Exchange coins for coupons, which you can use in the mobile app, and then there's a list of products that you pay for with coins, partially or in full. It means that you can use coins almost like any other normal currency when paying. And during the sales, both the website and the app offer special conditions to spend the coins. So here's how you exchange the coins for products on AliExpress. You can see here that you need to spend that amount of coins in order to purchase this item, and so on, and it shows it on that one too. So you see the coins there on the right hand side of the dollar amount that you need to pay, and then you can just use those on the checkout and use your coins if you have a sufficient balance. And here you can also get the coupons with these coins. So you can see here you can get $2 for 20 coins, $6 for 60 coins, $10 for 100 coins, and you do this all within the app itself. And that's basically all they say about that. So that's how you can get and use these coins on AliExpress. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.